Last month, our stars became chefs. Now, we do get to see what they really do as an auxiliar. After all, that's what they're here for. Let's start the school tour all the way from Madrid.
Hi everyone, welcome to Colegio Los Ángeles in Torrelodones. This school consists of 4 buildings. Building 1 has grades 1, 2, and 3. Building 2 has the offices, a music room, computer room, library, auditorium, and 1 classroom. Building 3, which is not pictured, holds the infantil classrooms. Building 4 has grades 4, 5, and 6. Past these buildings is a football field and playground. This is what a classroom looks like, standard, but look at this view. One of the school's most unique features is the hallway decorations. During Halloween, the hallways are spooky. In November, each classroom door decorates a turkey in disguise so it won't be eaten on Thanksgiving. And for Valentine's Day, all the students filled up this jar with love notes. Things are always changing here and it's beautiful. Although I couldn't capture these moments, the best part about the school is the children and getting to be their assistant. Colegio Los Ángeles, you are my favorite part about Spain.
Hello everyone, I'm going to take you on a day as my life as a language assistant. So first, here's me catching the first train of the day, the metro. And now here's me arriving to my station in Alcorcón from the Cercanías on a beautiful sunny morning for once. And then I have to walk to school, so here's me arriving at the front of the school where I enter every morning. And then here we have our little English corner, which is where I spend my time lesson planning with the other 2 auxis that work at my school with me. We have a lot of little fun tricks and tips in our English corner and a nice big window. And then today I had to do a speaking exam for the 5th grade, and now I have my break. I got a little croissant from Lidl and I sat in the park and ate it. And then I come back because after my break I have a free period and I did some lesson planning, as you can see here. And then we have 2 hours for lunch, so I like to go to this outdoor gym with another Knox from my school, and then we buy our lunch and we eat it in our English corner. And then after I had another speaking exam, and then this is me saying goodbye. Thank you.
With this overload of cuteness and lesson planning, let's go check our Castilla-La Mancha vocational schools.
I'm one of the auxiliaries here at Brianda de Mendoza, and I'm here with 2 of my students.
My name is Camila.
And I'm Elena.
And we are studying director's assistants.
This is one of the branches of administration in the bilingual program, and we are going to give you a tour of our school.
The school was founded in 1837, and it is the 2nd oldest secondary school here in Spain.
So instead of attending university, students can choose to continue learning and developing skills through one of the Formación Profesional programs. Students can choose something like economics or technology. These programs last 2 years, but they spend a year and a half studying and then 3 months doing an internship in order to complete the 400 hours and earn their degree.
This is my protocol classroom, and we have class 7 hours a week. And here we learn how to organize private and public events.
And this is the Brianda de Mendoza cafeteria. I always buy here the famous bocadillo de tortilla and a hot latte to survive all the day.
Library, we have many books, and if you want a place where you can be silent, want to just be calm, or you want to study, you can do that here.
Thanks for visiting. We hope you enjoyed the tour.
Adults, teens, little kids, such a variety of students. Let's see what age range Marisa is teaching in Castilla y León.
Marisa? Welcome to my school, Fernando Segundo, primary to infantile education, where I teach ages 5 to 12. Each class ranges from 8 to 20 students. I work Tuesdays to Fridays, 14 hours per week in class time, teaching subjects such as English, art, and science. Once a month, I prepare a presentation for each of my 7 classes on the holiday or festivities related to that month. My main roles as an auxiliar is to help with pronunciation, reading, and English conversation in the daily classroom setting. I love playing games with my children, including joining the weekly soccer football match, and love creating crafts and projects that my children will love. I'm also grateful to be included in the cultural experiences of their school's curriculum. Pictured includes Carnival and Peace Day. Being covered head to toe in stickers. I would like to thank Conversa Spain and my school, Fernando Segundo, for the experience and opportunity of living and working in Spain. And thank you for joining me on the introduction and day of my school. And I hope that one day you can come visit Benavente or any of the locations that our ConversaSpainers have showed you in this month's video project of schools.
If this is not making you want to become an auxiliar, then I don't know what can. Our auxiliaries are the best language models and mentors, and they are making a huge impact on students' lives. Thank you. I cannot wait to see what's coming next month. And you?